Hi everyone, welcome to Lotus's YouTube channel. My name is Isra and I'm a digital content creator. And today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve long lashes without the use of falsies. Honestly, I do have a confession to make. Even though my work revolves around makeup, I really do struggle with false lashes, which is why I always make sure to use mascara that really does its job and helps accentuate my lashes. Without any further ado, let's dig right into it. So I'm going to start off by curling my lashes as they are very straight, so it'll give that extra lift and make them appear much more fuller and defined. Clearly you can see the difference and how it gives an illusion of brighter eyes and lifted lashes. Now we're going to go in with the Max Lash Volumizing Botanical Mascara, which is one of my favorites. As you can see, it has a straight wand with densely packed bristles. Here's an application tip for you. Make sure you gently twirl the wand as you remove it instead of bumping it so as to avoid picking up excess product. Trust me, this will work. Start by gently pushing the wand in an upwards and outwards direction from the base of your lashes. Use the tip of the wand to lift the lashes near the inner corner of the eye. In case you feel you've taken too much product, you can always go in with a lash brush or a lash comb to separate the lashes. I love how this mascara feathers out each of my lashes and really provides a lot of volume with just one coat itself. And there you go, how beautiful, lifted, voluminous, sculpted do my lashes look. I hope you guys found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!